he currently working on the research on plantation.
Thank you very much for the organizing committee for the opportunity. This is the topics of this session. Thanks for the study program of food technology for inviting us to present our work in one team. I am the leader, and we have 4 other members. And then we have the characteristics of the farmers in this slide. What kind of methods that the farmers prefer for cultivating their rice. The rice cannot survive with some with the heavy rain like this. This is also inhibited the transportations of the oil palm and also rice product. Supported by the size of the productive land, the rice quality and commodity support, digital mapping with the local people. Do you have any questions before entering the session? Fossil fuel operations is our team.
So everybody give your best poses. 3, 2, 1, play, as the session will begin shortly. As your MC.
Professor Sugiarto, PhD, the chairperson of
distinguished speaker and all participants of summer course. The summer course SDGs 2026.
We have like 155 who are registered for this program, but
after class. Okay, thank you so much for your reactions. So welcome to this fun session with me. I'm Remandita Chaya Putri Handawan.
Myself, my name is Sultan Rafia bin Hidayat. I'm the biology student.
Harvesting the future, local wisdom, global sustainability with our incredible speakers. Professor Bulan Prabawani, PhD. Session will be held by our moderator, Mr. Rega Bintang, MSc. Mr. Rega Bintang is a lecturer in the Department of Agriculture.
you call me Bintang, and it is my pleasure to serve.
Localized in variety. In many countries, average of waste generated for each of us, the pollution, the emission. It set national energy policy in 2014, and the target for the reveal that all those phenomena and is habit, custom, ways of thinking. I'm quite sure that everything would relate to business. So the tradition, and then also regional conflict, because in the beginning we have a look our contribution towards pollution. Mas and Mbak, because I noticed the participant here majority.
The speakers explain well how exactly the struggles, the solutions, also the things that happen in the agricultural in the Rawapitu, including the transportation problems, the proposal ideas and something like that, and also the asynchronous activities from Mr.
So actually last week was quite informative, especially for people who are not from the background of agriculture or food sciences, like me from the background of management. So it was quite informative with first the video with Pak Joko Marion, who answered all of our questions about the local wisdoms in Indonesia and many places of Indonesia, and with Dr. Albertos, who discussed about the agriculture of palm oil and the rice from all the.
The first question is from Munir Naili. Mr. Yoga, in the face of the FS
on your pace means that you can post and you can also check some interesting facts. Possibly, wow, we have a people when you help people. I mean, it doesn't help you as a person, but it makes you happier. So that's consideration. Another thing that I want to show you is your inputs on the food loss and food waste discussion. So we have an example from Hong Tae-song, the
Agricultural Sciences, Universitas Diponegoro. And today,
the Philippines, PH, Afghanistan, Palestine, and go to bed in the night, and every one of you, every decision of yours aggregate into system level impact.
Hello, my name is Izanur. You can call me Iza, and I'm from Pakistan.
One example of local wisdom that I want to share from Punjab is Sanja Chula, which means a shared kitchen. In rural communities, our families cook together or share food resources, especially during harvest or difficult times. This practice supports sustainability by reducing food waste, saving fuel, and ensuring that everyone has access to meals. It also strengthens social bonds and promotes equality, making communities more resilient during economic or environmental challenges. This shows that traditional practices can create sustainable and inclusive communities. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rahimullah and I'm from Islamabad, Pakistan. So one example of local wisdom from Pakistan is rainwater harvesting. In Islamabad and nearby Potahar areas, the people traditionally collect the rainwater in ponds, tanks and some storage areas. So it helps sustainability because it saves the water, recharge the groundwater and also helps the farming during the dry seasons. So it also reduces the waste and supports the communities to face the climate change. So the rainwater harvesting is powerful local wisdom for sustainable future. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Noor from Palestine. And in Palestine, the olive tree is more than just a tree. It's a symbol of peace, life, and resilience. The olive tree shows how local wisdom can be supporting sustainability and a better future. So people in Palestine take care of the olive trees using traditional methods. They usually harvest the olives by hand, using natural compost and trying not to waste any part of the tree. So the olive oil, olives, olive wood, and even the leaves can all be used. So this local wisdom helps to achieve several SDGs. It supports SDG number 2, which is zero hunger, by providing food and income. It also supports SDG number 8, which is decent work, by creating jobs for the farmers and for the local communities. That's besides supporting also SDG number 13 and 15 by protecting the land, reducing soil erosion, and helping the environment. Thank you.
Hello there and a very good day to you. My name is Edifons Blaga, checking in from Cebu, Philippines. If you visit my country, you'll notice we have a very specific way of eating on the go. We use this thing called puso. It literally translates to heart, but it's basically rice that's been boiled inside a really intricate hand-woven coconut leaf. Historically, it was just designed to be practical. It was a way for travelers to carry their meals centuries ago. But what I find interesting is how this old tradition is essentially a perfect model for modern sustainability. There's no packaging waste to deal with. You eat the rice, and the leaf just goes right back into the soil to compost. It's a completely closed loop system, just hiding in plain sight as everyday street food. For me, it's a very cool reminder that building a sustainable future could already just quietly sitting in our local culture. Anyway, that's my 1 minute. Excited to see what the others came up with.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I am from Malaysia. So in this video, I would like to share with you about one of the quite well-known local wisdom which have been practiced by the local in the northern area of Malaysia. So in the hills of northern Perak, we have this local wisdom named as Padi Huma. Unlike normal rice farming that needs flat, flooded fields, this rice grows on mountain slopes using only rainwater and a simple wooden stick. So why it is sustainable? It protects our environment in two direct ways. First of all, there is no landslides. We don't plough the soil. By leaving the roots in the ground, the mountain stays stable. And then we have an access to clean water. We never farm at the very top of the hill, so this greenery approach keeps the Perak River or Sungai Perak clean for everyone downstream. So Padi Huma proves that we can produce food while acting as a guardian of our nature. Our local wisdom is not just a tradition, It is a blueprint for a greener world to everyone. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sultan Rafia bin Hidayat, but you can call me Sultan. I am one of the biology students at the Republic of Indonesia Defense University. And today, I want to share you a local wisdom from the Indonesian tribe called Sundanese. So Sundanese people in the Bogor region, they've known the local wisdom called the traditional forest zoning system. So for thousands of generations, local communities in that region have divided land into 3 strict zones. First of all is the Loweng Titipan, or the sacred forest. Second one is Loweng Tutupan, which are protected forests for very limited use. And the last one is Loweng Garapan, the designated agricultural land. This ancestral form of spatial planning is vital for the sustainability. By strictly forbidding human activity in the Loweng Titipan, the community actively preserves the biodiversity and protects critical water catchments, which is especially important in Bogor, our rain city. It proves that ancient communities successfully practiced sustainable land use and ecological conservation long before the modern map